Hello everyone and welcome back to our Tableau tutorial series. In this video, we will dive into one of the most important parts of working with Tableau Public, that is connecting our data and preparing it for analysis. Whether it is an Excel file, text file, or data from a server, we will go step by step to ensure that we understand all the options available. So let's get started. Let's open our Tableau Public. The first thing we will notice here is the connect pane. This is where we choose our data source. Here we can see that we can connect to Microsoft Excel. We can also connect text files like CSVs, JSON file for structured data, Microsoft Access database, PDF file for extracting tabular data, special files for maps, and here we can also use statistical file. These options are all great starting point for beginners. Remember, Tableau Public has fewer options than Tableau Desktop, but it's perfect for learning and creating amazing visualizations. Let's now connect our Excel file to Tableau Public. Click on Microsoft Excel and here select the sample superstore and open it. Tableau here automatically display the sheets inside. We have sheets order, people and returns here. In this case, orders is our main data set with transaction details. People give information about the sales team and the return tracks which product are returned. For now, we will focus on orders, so let's drag it into our canvas. We can click on it and drag it here. Now we can see that we have the preview of our data. We can select how many rows we want to see here by giving our number. Like we want to see the first 10 rows. So here we can write 10, and when we do this, we can see that we have 10 rows here. Here we can see that we have 21 fields and 9,994 rows. If our analysis requires data from multiple sheets, we can simply drag and drop them into our canvas. We can drag people here. Here we can see that Tableau automatically detects relationship between the sheets. Like here, we can see that region field is matching. This is also called join. We can also edit this relationship manually if needed. In Tableau, data can be combined using joins or blends, but we will cover that in detail in later videos. Let's remove it and keep it simple for now. We can do data cleaning also in Tableau. Like if we want to change our field name, we can change here like date of order. And finally, let's see how we can create a calculated field here. Let's try to create profit ratio using profit and sales fields. Here we can create calculated field and we can give the name of our field, that is profit ratio, and here we can give some, and we can divide it to sales. And now when we press OK, we can see here that we have the new field profit ratio, which is the sum of profit divided by sum of sales. Here you can also see that this profit field belongs to orders table, but this profit ratio comes from calculation. That's it for this video. We have covered how to connect and prepare our data in Tableau Public. including combining multiple sheets and cleaning our data. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment if you have any question or need clarification. In the next video, we will explore Tableau interface and start building basic chart. See you in the next video. Thank you.